Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I made this cute little bag to go along with my daughter's costume for Halloween. What you're going to need is one of these canvas bags. They usually come in a 3-pack from your local craft stores or Walmart. They're super inexpensive and really fun to craft with. I went to Cricut Design Space and I picked out a font and put her name in, and I cut it out on some glitter iron-on vinyl that I picked up from Tuesday Morning. But you can find this iron-on vinyl at all the craft stores and Walmart. I'm gonna use my Cricut what's that thing called? Easy Press to adhere it down, but if you don't have one, you could just use an iron. It works the same. No difference. So I'm just lining it up. I'm eyeballing it. I'm not trying to measure anything. Like I said, this is a super simple and easy DIY. If you have a Cricut, you could, use this. If not, you can use the adhesive letters from Dollar Tree if you want to for a temporary sort of fix, or you could use some fabric paint to create something like this if you want to. Just make sure you insert something in between or inside the bag so the paint won't bleed through. But you can find ways to create this if you don't have a Cricut or any kind of cutting machine. So I'm just lining it up and pressing it down, and then I'm going to use the Easy Press to just adhere it. The only thing about this is it just has a wider heating element that'll cover more space, once you put it on the item you're ironing on, and it has a timer and you can adjust the temp just like you would on an iron. But, again, it's just a companion to the Cricut cutting machines or whatever. So don't feel like you got to go out and buy one of these things, because you don't. You can just use a regular iron. So I just let it sit for a while until I was sure that everything was adhered down. And now it is all on there, and I'm just letting it cool. And now I'm going to attach the hearts that I cut out with just a regular old paper punch. And I just had some scrap vinyl left, and I just punched out 3 hearts, and I thought they were adorable. And again, she's going to use it as a treat bag for Halloween, but this bag can be used, and she will use it, I'm pretty sure, for just, everyday purposes or whatever. So it's really, really a cute little DIY. And again, you can customize this to whatever colors and, shapes and things like that, fonts that you want to use. And again, if you don't have a Cricut, just use some fabric paint or fabric markers and you can achieve the same effects. So here I'm just lining them up. Again, just eyeballing. I'm not trying to be precise or anything. And I'm going to use the Easy Press again. Just put that on top. Let it sit for a minute. And then we will be done with the ironing process. So again, this only took a few minutes to do. I think it took longer to just find the font to actually cut out on the Cricut than it did to put it all together. So you want to let everything cool down, and then you want to remove the transfer tape. And the iron-on vinyl actually comes attached to it, so all you do is just peel away the excess and then, iron it down. So these hearts were still a little warm, but I'm going to go ahead and take them off for you guys. And it worked out pretty good, but I would advise you to let it cool completely before you try to peel anything off. And as you can see, it comes off really easy. And that is it. It is so adorable. I'm thinking about making one for myself, honey. This is so cute. And I love, love, love how it turned out. And here it is with her little costume. The gold on the bag brings out the gold in the horn and in the little ears of the little headpiece that goes along with it. And I'm super excited to see her all dressed up for Halloween. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.